Okay, this video is about target 7.1, adding and subtracting polynomials, and I'm going to explain in English and Spanish. So the first type of problem is when it's addition and you have two groups. So el primer tipo de problema es cuando tienes dos grupos y es adición, está sumando. Okay, so you know it's addition because of the plus sign here, right? Sabes que es adición porque hay un signo aquí. All you have to do for this type of problem is eliminate the parentheses. Para este tipo de problemas, solo necesitas eliminar los paréntesis. So we have 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. For the second group, it's the same, just need to copy it, right? El segundo grupo es igual, solo necesitas copiar. So, por ejemplo, for example, 5x squared, that's positive, so it's positive 5x squared. The next group is negative, and 4 is positive. After I eliminate the parentheses, we need to organize. So draw the chart. So después, eliminando los paréntesis, necesitas dibujar este. Y necesitamos organizar. So the first group is 2x squared. Okay, is there another group with x squared? So primer grupo es 2x cuadrado. ¿Hay un grupo más con x cuadrado? Sí. Yes, there's another group. It's 5x squared. So we're going to write those together. 2x squared plus 5x squared equals. Okay, now we're going to do the next group. So the next group is negative 5x. Okay, that is where you have x to the power of 1. Is there another group with x to the power of 1? So hay otro grupo con x con el exponente 1? Sí. Yes, there is another one. It's right here. So we're going to write those together. And then finally, the last group is numbers. So I have 6 and 4. So I have 6 plus 4. Alright, then all you have to do is type the big numbers in Desmos. So solo necesitas escribir los números grandes en Desmos. Do not write letters in the calculator. So the first one we have is So the first one we have is 2 plus 5. You can do that in your head, 2 plus 5, or you can go here and do 2 plus 5. The answer is 7. So 7 what? 7 and then x squared. Next group, we could even do the numbers first if you want. Si quieres hacer los números primero porque es fácil y no hay letras, tú puedes, right? There's no letters, so it's easier, you can do that. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Again, if you don't know, you can write it in Desmos, right? Si no sabes, tú puedes usar Desmos. So 6 plus 4 is 10. And then for the last group, we have negative 5 minus 3. I'm going to type it here. Negative 5 minus 3. Negative 5 menos 3 is negative 8. So that's negative 8. Negative 8 what? Negative 8 ¿qué? X. And that's our answer. So this is our answer. It is 7x squared minus 8x plus 10. Okay, and then we look at the options, right? So that means that the answer is J. All right, now we're going to go to the second type of problem. Okay, the second type of problem is when it is subtraction. So this is a different type of problem. Okay, because there's subtraction. That means that you need to change the sign of the second group. I'll put that. Change the signs. Okay, so la regla es cuando es sustracción, porque hay un signo menos en el medio, Ese significa necesitas cambiar los signos del segundo grupo. Okay, so we're going to write it over here. So the first group, copy. Now the second group, we're going to change the sign. So this is positive, now negative. This is negative, este es negativo, ahora es positivo. Right, now it's positive. This is positive, now negative. Okay, so don't forget the special rule. Esa es la regla especial. Now it's the same process where we organize, right? Necesitas organizar. Okay, so 3x squared goes with negative 2x squared. Both groups have x squared. So los dos grupos tienes x2. Ese es porque tú puedes escribir juntos. So 3x squared minus 2x squared. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 what? 1x squared. Are you a baby? ¿Eres un bebé? No. So you don't have to write 1. No necesitas escribir 1. Es invisible. Okay, so now we're going to do the next group. So next group is negative 2x plus 5x. Negative 2x plus 5x. Again, if you don't know how to do it, you can type it here. Negative 2 plus 5. Do not write the letters. So the answer is 3. 3 what? 3x. Okay? And you can eliminate answers too. For example, right, you have 3x. This option does not have 3x, so you can eliminate it. That's not an option. This one does not have 3x. You can eliminate it. It's not an option. Okay? And we know it's positive, so we can also eliminate this, right? So tú puedes eliminar opciones. Por ejemplo, sabes que es 3x, pero esta opción y este, J y G, no tiene 3x. Entonces, tú sabes que esta no es la respuesta, tú puedes eliminar. Okay? So that does mean that the final answer is F, but we can double check, right? So tú sabes que solo la opción con 3x positivo es opción F, pero tú puedes chequear con la otra parte. So let's check the other part. So the last part, right, so we did negative 2, 5 is 3. Okay, the last part is 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1, 5 menos 1, is 4. And again, there we go. 4 is right there. So that is correct. So la respuesta F es correcta. All right. Now you have practice problem 1. So solve it on your paper, eliminate the parentheses, organize, and then choose the correct answer. Okay, after you've done that, we can check. Okay? So the correct answer is actually F. Okay, so I hope that you did it on your, when you organize it, you should have had 9 minus 11 minus 2, which is negative 4. You had 4x squared plus 7x squared minus x squared is 10x squared. And then you should have had negative 3x plus 7x, which is 4x. This is your answer, which is right here. All right, and then the last practice problem is problem number 2. Remember that this one is subtraction, okay? So there's this special rule where you have to change the sign of the second group. So write it on your paper, show your work, and then you're gonna submit this paper to me at the end. And that's it.